Hello, welcome to Math Easy. Friends, in the previous video, we have discussed about the definition of a circle and we have discussed what is circumference of a circle, what is the area of a circle, what is the center of a circle and what is the radius of a circle. In this video, we will discuss about all other parts of a circle. Now, in the definition of radius, we have seen that if we join the center and any other point on the circle, the line segment we get is called as the radius of the circle. Now, if this line segment we extend to the opposite side straight and it meets the circle at point B, then friends, we get another radius named as OB. Now OC is one radius, OB is another radius. Now if we consider BC line segment, see here BC line segment, this line segment is called as the diameter of a circle. Now it is clearly found that diameter is equal to 2 radius. Diameter is equal to 2 radius. Now what is the definition of a diameter? The definition is a diameter is a line segment which passes through the center and whose end points lie on the circle. Now, one thing you will remember that in the definition of radius and diameter, center is mentioned. Now, another thing is that, see, this diameter has divided the circle in two equal parts. One is this part, another is this part. So each equal part is called as semicircle. Now we have discussed that all radii are equal. In a circle, all radii are equal. Radii is the plural of radius. So as diameter is equal to 2 radius, we can say that all diameters are also equal in length. We can draw several diameters through center and all diameters are equal in length. Now we'll discuss about chord. What is a chord? If we take any two distinct points in a circle and we join the points, we get a line segment. This line segment is called as a chord. So what is the definition of a chord? The definition of a chord is that it is a line segment whose end points lie on the circle. Now friends, the end points of diameter also lie on the circle. So we can say that diameter is the longest chord of a circle because it passes through the center. Now same way we can say all diameters are chords, isn't it? But are all chords are diameters? No, all chords are not diameters. We can draw several chords here. All chords are not diameters because to be a diameter, the line segment should pass through the center. So we can say all diameters are chords, but all chords are not diameters. And chords, one more thing, as all radii are of equal length, all diameters are of equal length, but all chords are not of equal length. Okay, now we will discuss about arc. We have seen what is the circumference of a circle. Now any part of the circumference is called an arc. Okay. Now here I have taken 3 points A, C and B. So ACB is an arc and the remaining part of the circumference named as APB, this is also an arc. Arc is written this way with 3 letters and the sign of arc is given this way. So here we can easily see that this is a minor arc and this is a major arc. Okay. Now we will discuss about segment and sector. Now friends, segment or sector are related to area. We know what is the area of a circle. The inside region is called the area of a circle. Now if we draw any chord, here Mn is the chord, then this chord and this corresponding arc together they cover this area of the circle. So this is called segment and this is also segment because this chord and this arc, corresponding arc, together they cover this area of the circle. So clearly it is seen that this is minor segment and this is major segment. Now friends, sector. it is also that area of circle that covers, we take two radius, one is OB, another is OD, and this arc, so these two radius and this arc together they cover this area of the circle. So this is called sector, and this is also sector because this radius and this arc, they together they cover this area of the circle. So this is major sector, this is minor sector. Remember, in sector a angle is formed at the center. Here it is acute angle and this is obtuse angle. Now this is a special case when segment and sector become equal. Now friends, for segment we have taken chord. So we know that diameter is also a chord. So if we take a diameter as a chord, so this diameter and this arc and this diameter and this arc are equal because this is semicircle, this is semicircle. So both the segments are equal. And in case of sector, we have seen that we take two radius. So this diameter is also two radius. One is OD, another is OB. And this arc, so OD, OB and this arc, they form this sector. This is another sector. Both the sector are equal. So sector, segment, all are equal. And this angle is 80 degrees, straight angle. Now here you see, this is a relation between sector and segment. Here friends, this is a sector, this is another sector, this is minor sector and this is major sector. Now if we join B and D in sector, you see B and D we join, so we get a chord, is not it? So this chord, so according to this definition, this part is the segment and this above part is a triangle. So we can say this sector is equal to area of sector is equal to the area of triangle plus the area of segment. Okay, now we will discuss about secant and tangent. Now friends, before that we have discussed all about line segments. Diameter is line segment, radius is line segment, chord is line segment. Now we will discuss about line. Secant and tangent both are line. Now what is a secant? A secant is a line which passes through the center and it intersects the circle into distinct points. So that line is called to be a secant. Now friends, if we S and T, ST, this is a chord. Clearly it is seen that this is a chord. So we can give another definition for secant, that if we extend a chord of a circle infinitely in the both direction, we get a secant. Now tangent. Tangent is also a line and it touches a circle only at one point. So what is the definition of a tangent? Tangent is a line which touches a circle in one point. In this figure, it has touched the circle at point T. So you can, to remember, you can say like that, the tangent touches, secant separates. Okay. Now here is the here is one big circle is drawn, and see all the parts, most of the parts are shown here. This is center, this is OA radius, O is the center, OA radius, OE radius, OF radius, OC radius, OB radius, BC is diameter, here MN is chord, and PQR is arc. Okay, then this area is segment, this is sector. Friends, this is also sector, this is also sector, this is also sector. In this figure, I have shown that sector is the sum of area of segment and tangent and triangle. And this is secant. It has touched the circle into distinct points S and T. So ST is chord, and this is secant. This is a secant, and this is tangent. So this tangent has touched the circle at a point called D. Okay, so thank you friends. In the next video, we'll discuss more about circle.